Hey, girls and boys. Shall we play Shake and Spill 20? What? Epic 20? Why not? Let's do it. One of the standards for grade 2, and grade 1, but in particular grade 2, but any grade level, to be honest with you, is that you get really good at being fluent. It's called being fluent at your math facts, adding and subtracting within 20, right? So if you're doing a problem and it says, 18 minus 8, you're like, oh, 10. Or like 12 minus 7, you're like 5. Or 13 minus 6, you're like 7. Or 14 minus 7, you're 7. You're like 7 again. Okay, so you get like automatic with it. So this takes time to build up, all right? We're still we're not at the end of the year. And this activity of shake and spill will help you to see all the combinations that add up to the number that you're shaking and spilling. Today we're going to do 20. You've done a lot of other numbers. Okay, so same as usual, right? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. All right, spill it out slowly. There's a lot of them. All right, and you put yellows on one side, reds on the other. It doesn't really matter which way you go. All right, there's a lot of them here. So I'll put the yellows over here. Actually, this looks pretty even. I wonder which one's more. I think yellow might be more. What do you think? Let me get my big head out of the way. All right, so right now I'm seeing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 reds. I'm thinking there must be 11 yellows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I was right. 11 equals 20. Okay, am I done? No, of course not. You know that. So we're also going to know that if you turn these, right, if you rotate them, if you switch them, and you do the yellow first, that means 11 plus 9 also equals 20, right? And if I have 20 total, and I take away the reds, or cover them up, then I'm left with the yellows. So I took away the 9 reds, and I'm left with 11 yellows. Okay. Or, oopsie daisy, if I have all of them, and I take away the yellows, so now I'm doing 20, take away the 11 yellows, I'm left with the 9 reds. Okay? So do this maybe, 5 or 6 times. Write out your equations. If you shake and spill and you get another 9 and 11, you might want to do it again to just make it different. But the idea here, boys and girls, is that you get really good at knowing all the combinations that make 20, right? So you might get like 10 and 10, 11 and 9, 12 and 8. So when you see those numbers, you're like, oh, I know, that's 20. Okay? All right, have fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.